There's absolutely no way. No, I actually can't. I cannot. Ugh. No, smelling that a third time is gonna make me throw up. I don't know about y'all, but I've had absolutely no motivation to do anything for the past like 2 months. I don't know what's been in the air. And if you know me, you know I'm that type of person that has to feel productive literally all the time to feel accomplished in life. So I let my bathroom get absolutely disgusting. I clean it, obviously. I just don't organize it. And then I see those aesthetic cleaning videos like on TikTok and Instagram, and I'm like, damn, I want that to be me. But I won't do it myself. So we're changing that today. Hey guys, it's Alessia. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't gone through any of my products since I started being an influencer. To put that in a time frame, I haven't gone through my products in 4 years. But without you guys, I couldn't have bought or got the PR for all of these products, so I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm mainly doing this video for my sister because she's like,
clean your shit up, like I can't live.
I'm not even exaggerating right now. My bathroom looks like the Tasmanian devil lives in there. He has a 9-to-5 job in my bathroom. So not only am I gonna organize my skincare and hair care products, but I'm gonna deep clean the bathroom and I'm gonna add decorations because I want it to look pretty, because right now it's not looking pretty. So I can't keep getting depressed every time I walk into that bathroom. I'm gonna try really hard to be that like organizing, deep clean aesthetic girly, but I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work out. So hopefully this video gives you motivation to either clean your bathroom or your room or whatever disaster you may have. You guys may or may not look at me very differently after this video because my bathroom is, you know what, I'm just gonna show you. I told y'all it was bad. I don't know if you believed me, but you obviously believe me now. I don't even know where to start. This is why I've been putting this off for so long. So I have to go through all of these. This is the stuff I use the most. So I've been just putting it there because I have literally nowhere else to put it. You can obviously see why my sister does not like me right now. And we have to go through her too. She's looking pretty rough as well. And then these drawers. Honestly, this one isn't too bad, but these, however, are absolutely nasty. Guys, it's not just me. My sister does help do the damage, just not this damage. I'm like showing all around with my hand, but we have a lost soldier. And then here's also stuff I literally cannot fit anywhere. And then in these drawers, it's also not looking too good. Honestly, this one isn't bad either. I think this one's empty. We also have more stuff there, and then I just want to clean this up. But some renovations have also been done to help me out because these have never been there before. If you've seen my bathroom before, I've never had these. We just added them. So I do have space to put everything. My sister started putting her stuff in here, so this is her side, but I don't think she's using the top one, so I'm stealing that from her. And then this is also hers to deal with. Wait, why is it organized? Oh my god, she's so much better than me. So enough about me being a disgusting hoarder. Let's get into it. So my first step of action is getting rid of everything that I don't want or need anymore. So I'm gonna take all of my products and put them like, I don't know, on the floor. I literally have no space to work with right now. I'm probably gonna group each brand together because I have like duplicates or triples of something. Guys, I actually don't know where to start. I'm gonna get all of my Numbuzen stuff. If you know me, Numbuzen is my girl. See, I already found one duplicate, but I think I have like literally 10 of these because I love this serum. Honestly, just the Numbuzen was like half of the bathroom, so I already feel kind of accomplished. Okay, I guess the next brand is CeraVe. I literally just got this moisturizer and apparently it's really bad for you, so I don't even know what to do because it's literally full. I used it twice. Let's see what my app says. Just scan her up. Yeah, it says 10 out of 100 rating. Horrible. Because it has petroleum in it, which is a potential carcinogen, so their acne control gel is really good though. I really like this one. You can't see my piles on the floor, but I'm gonna show you after. It's gonna be a disaster, I'm telling you right now. I have so many Korean skincare brands, so now we're on to Pyeongkang Yeol. I love this one so much. Pile number 3. I'm not wasting an ounce of product. Oh, I found another CeraVe. I might be saying it wrong. It may be CeraVe. I don't know and I don't care. Okay, next brand. Probably one of my favorite brands ever, The Ordinary. Honestly, if this video doesn't give you motivation, you're getting the ins and outs of the good products, so either way, I got you, girl. This part is gonna take way too long and I don't want this to be the whole video, so I'm gonna do the rest of it off camera and I will be back to show you what my floor is looking like.
15 minutes later.
Okay, I'm not done yet, but I made a lot of progress. I literally cannot move. So I'm staying right here. But I'm filling this back up because I need to get rid of everything in these drawers. What? There is no way there's a nail in there. There's no way that this isn't the nails I'm wearing, by the way. This nail is from like ninth grade. How did this come with me to the new house? Like, I moved and I still have this nail. What the fuck? I'm literally disgusting. By the way, this is all just skincare. My hair care products aren't even here yet. But yeah, it's so I can find you guys the best products and tell you what's good, because not all of them are the best.
5 hours later.
I can't really step anywhere. So here's all my numbers and stuff. I literally didn't get rid of anything because it's new, plus I love them so much. My CeraVe, I got rid of a couple things that I finished and just aren't good. For Pyongyang, I got rid of a couple things that are expired, sadly, but I love this brand so much. For The Ordinary, I got rid of a couple things that just ran out because for some reason I kept the empty containers. For Glow Recipe, I literally got rid of nothing because it's all new. Skin Fix, I also got rid of nothing because it's new and there's only 2 things. Dalba, I got rid of nothing. Sanded Sky, I got rid of nothing. Laneige, I got rid of literally nothing because I just got all of this like last week. Cosrx, got rid of nothing. I love them. Sadly, with Skin 1004, I had to get rid of a bunch of stuff because it was expired. I literally had so much of these. Isntree 2, I sadly had to get rid of a bunch of stuff because it was expired. And then there's some other brands, and then here's just like a mix match of all the random brands. So my plan is to use this for all the skincare that I use like on the weekly or daily, and then this for skincare that I don't use that often. Now's my time to try to be an aesthetic queen. I hope I don't fail miserably. Honestly, this might be a 2-day job, but I don't know. I kind of just want to grind it out all night. And now I'm in the cleaning mood, so I'm not trying to have that go away. But now it's officially time to take care of the hair care products and the body products because there's a lot of those too. If you guys watched my video about natural skincare remedies, you know that I make rice water, and bitch, this shit is still fermenting. It's not supposed to ferment this long, but it's still there because I didn't deal with it. I used it for a good 2 weeks and then I stopped because I couldn't deal with the smell, but girl, I'm scared for what this shit smells like now. There's absolutely no way. No, I actually can't. I cannot. This bottle will not be used for my hair anymore. It needs to be thrown out, burnt, incarcerated. Ugh. No, smelling that a 3rd time is gonna make me throw up. I'm showing this angle for free, are you kidding me? I hope it's just the girlies and the gays right now because I'm not moving the camera. You can enjoy the view. This bitch is like 4 years old. I don't know what she's still doing here. Okay, here's the damage. Compared to the skincare, it looks like absolutely nothing, but it's really a lot. Since I emptied this out and my products are everywhere and it's a mess again, I'm just gonna tackle these now. Okay, this stuff is mainly my sister's. I'm gonna make a pile of her stuff right there. I don't know what a dirty rag is doing in there, but it's probably hers. This is the mat for my blow dryer. I don't know why it was in here, but this just gave me an idea. Okay, next, Soldier. Oh god. This right here is where the damage has to be done. Okay, it's finally time to do the hair products. I swear the angles in this video are so atrocious. So for that area, I got these little bins from Dollarama. It can definitely fit some products, not all of them, but it'll make it look better than it did before. First, I'm gonna go in with curl creams. Okay, curl creams, done. The second one's gonna be gels and mousse. Okay, third one is gonna be hairspray. This is a fat one, girl. Third one, done. Here's how it's looking so far. I think it looks really cute, especially compared to what it looked like before. I'm actually gonna move all of this stuff into one of these. By the way, I'm putting the products with the worst ingredients at the back. This one's an exception, lol. I think this drawer can be hair oils because I have a lot of them. Bruh. I cleaned the drawers off camera because there was a bunch of hair and shit in it, but now they're squeaky clean. And I bought some little organizers so everything isn't just scrambled everywhere like before. They don't really fit like those aesthetic girls on TikTok have it, but it'll do. Okay, you can't lie, I made a lot of progress. Like, I'm kind of proud of myself. I feel accomplished. But this isn't even the half of it. Like, I want to glow this bathroom up, so I'm probably gonna continue tomorrow.
Flashback.
I kind of just want to grind it out all night. This took me way longer to do than it would the average person, but I am also a perfectionist, so yeah, I've been blessed with that. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. I was hoping I would wake up with the same motivation I had yesterday to clean my bathroom, but I in fact did not. But I'm gonna push myself to do it anyway, because I know when I'm done, I'm gonna feel amazing. Now it's time to deep clean this bitch. I don't know about y'all, but when I clean like glass surfaces like a mirror and then it leaves those tiny little streaks after, I go absolutely insane. So when you're done cleaning it and it's all dried off, take a dry towel and then just go over those streaks. It should get rid of them in like 2 seconds. By the way, if you hang fresh eucalyptus in your shower, it acts as aromatherapy, so it relieves stress, it relieves congestion, so many other things. It just smells good in general. This one is not fresh, however. I never claimed for it to be fresh. But honestly, when it dries out, it still looks good. It doesn't have aromatherapy, but it looks cute. What a nice view. Now's my favorite part. It is time to decorate. I can't lie, it's looking pretty bland right now, so I bought a bunch of stuff to make it look cute. I literally got everything from Dollarama because your girl is on a budget. Plus they have really cute stuff. Like, look at this. This is the first thing I got. This is for little Q-tips. It just like dispenses a Q-tip by itself. Even the Q-tips are from Dollarama. I'm not wasting a cent, girl. I want to see how this works. Okay, it's giving Dollarama. Oh my god, yeah, it does. Oh, it works. Next, I got this little cute container. It's like the same exact thing as that one, so it'll match and look aesthetic. And then I got these little sponges. I cheated, I got these off Amazon. They're really thin, but when you put them in water, they blow up into a sponge and then you can wash your face with it. And since there's so many, your sponges aren't gonna be gross and nasty. They keep standing up straight and I don't like it. Okay, I lied. I'm actually gonna put them... No, I lied again. It don't close. Okay, it's gonna close now. Do you know what? Fuck you. Now you can't really tell what they are, but you guys know, and that's all that matters. We got the same one. And then I'm gonna put my little Korean cotton pads from Pyeongkang. Disclaimer, don't use actual cotton pads, use Korean ones. They're like holding on for dear life, but it is fine. Next, I got this cute little mason jar soap dispenser. I'm in love with her, she's perfect. If you don't have a good dispenser for your soap, your bathroom does not look good, I just know it. I'm saying this like my bathroom hasn't been an absolute disaster for like the past 6 months. Okay, this one I got from HomeSense. It's a little like crystal block. I think I'm gonna put it in the middle of both of the sinks to like hold a bunch of stuff, make it look cute. Again from Dollarama, and it matches those other things, which I love. And then to go on it, this soap was sent to me by GM Scents. I'm in love with it, first of all. It also smells really good. And then I'm really proud of this one. Look at this crystal, girl. It matches with the soap exactly. This is basic, just a mason jar. I got it from my nonna because she makes tomato sauce. But I have a bunch of stuff in this boring old jar that I could put in the mason jar. Now you wanna help?
You're done?
Basically.
Really?
And then I got this big ass cart to put stuff on display. I think it would look cute next to the gray drawers. And then I got these cute little baskets. And that is it. Let's get to decorating. We did it. It took 2 days, but we did it. I haven't seen this bathroom this clean since I moved into this house 2 years ago. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. I couldn't have done it without y'all. I'm being serious. You were my motivation. And hopefully I can be yours. But honestly, it doesn't feel like a chore if you're doing something else while you're cleaning. Like for me, I was filming this video talking to you guys, but you can listen to a podcast. You could actually watch this video while you're cleaning, or you can just open your Spotify and put on a playlist. Notice how I said Spotify. If you listen to Apple Music, get out. Honestly, I feel like the most fulfilling part of all of this is gonna be seeing my sister's reaction because she's been living in my filth for months. Also, I forgot to mention this before, but I was thinking it, I swear, but I miss you guys so much. And I'm sorry, I've barely been posting for the past like, what, 2-3 months? More than that, I don't know. But little TMI, I've been struggling a lot with my physical health lately. I've been in and out of appointments and it's affected my mental health as a result of that. Like I said in my last video, physical and mental health go together, okay? But once I get all of my health issues in check, trust me, I'll be on my YouTube grind. Let me know if you guys want to see some more vlogs from me. I've been wanting to vlog so bad, but like what am I gonna vlog going to the doctors? Unless you guys want that. Let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys like the end result of the bathroom as much as I do because I'm kind of in love. I'm gonna spend extra time on the toilet when I'm taking my shits. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this motivates you because motivation is something that's hard to attain, at least for me. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Go do it. But I'm not gonna keep you guys too long. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, click the bell to get notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you from the bottom of my heart.